our 4-section freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 48.5 inches, a depth of 30 inches, and height with wheels, we have 79 inches tall. Located on the top right corner is the temperature control and power switch to operate this 4-section freezer. Left and right swing doors located on the top and bottom. Each section will include 3 shelves with a total combined of 6 shelves that will be included. Each shelf will measure 21 inches in length by 20.5 inches in depth. Please note that the left and right sections located on the top and bottom is one continuous row. With the entire interior length, we have 44 inches in length by 22.25 inches in depth. Measurements applied for the top and bottom sections. The height for each compartment, we have 25.5 inches. With a combined total height, we have 56.25 inches. Please note that the top and bottom section are not split and will share one continuous row of 56.25 inches. And on the ceiling will be the dual blow fans. Coming to the top left will be the ETL NSF certification. Coming to the top left corner will be the 110/120 voltage plug that's needed to operate this freezer. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.